morning, dear smarts. This is 8th class mathematics, linear equations. We are in linear equations. Children, I think everyone follow this and you enjoy mathematics to get the results while you are solving. When you get the result, enjoy a lot. So children, today's class, solve x by 2 minus 1 by 4 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. Solve means find x. Actually, in yesterday's class, you find the x value. Those are in the not fractions. Here the fractions x by 2 minus 1 by 4 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. First, you have to get the variables at one side, LHS, constant RHS. X by 2, x by 3 minus x by 3 equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. If you transposing LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS, they change their symbols. Now 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Actually 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6 in single, as in single digits. But we don't add like this here. We don't add 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6, 2 by 6 we don't do it. Take LCM of the denominators. Take LCM of the denominators. 2 3 are the denominators here. What is the LCM of 2 3? 2 3s are 6. So 2 was 3 times 3x minus 3 2 times 2x. Take here also the LCM. What is the LCM of 2 4? So 2 4 into 4, 4 is the LCM because 2 2s are 4. That's why the biggest number 4 is the LCM. 2 2s are 4, so 2 1s are 2 plus 4 1s are 1 time 1. 3x minus 2x, x by 6 equal to 2 plus 1, 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Now get x value. X equal to, if you want to get x value, only xb in our LHS. Only xb in LHS. So x equal to 6 here divide to RHS multiply. 3 2s, 2 2s. 9 by 2. X equal to 9 by 2. Have you understood? Computer children? X minus 4 by 7 minus x plus 4 by 5 equal to x plus 3 by 7. Solve x. Now, here the denominators are. So take LCM. What is LCM of 7 5? 7 5s are 35. 35 LCM here. 7 was 5 times. 5 into x minus 4 minus 5 7 times. 7 into x plus 4 equal to x plus 3 by 7. Next, cross multiplication means if 7 transposing to LHS, it multiplies. 35 transposing to RHS, it multiplies. So 7 into, again 5 into 5, 5x minus 5 4s are 20, minus 7 into x minus 7x minus 28 by 35 equal to x plus 3 by 7. Now change the cross multiplication. 7 into 5x minus 7x minus 2x minus 20 minus 28 minus 48 equal to 35 into x plus 3. Here 7 LHS, it multiplies. It moves to RHS, it multiplies. So 7 into 7 2s are minus 14x minus 7 into 48. 7 into 48 means 7 8s are 56. 7 4s are 28. Equal to 35x plus, here of course we will it's very simple. 35, 3 5s are 15, 105. Take x value one side, minus 14x minus 35x equal to 105 plus 336. Minus 14x minus 35 how much? Minus 49x equal to how much it is? 6 plus 5, 11. X equal to 441 by minus 49. Minus 49. Now divide or cancellation. X equal to minus 9. X equal to minus 9 is the value. X equal to minus 9. Okay, copy down children. Minus 5 by 7 equal to 2 by 3. Solve n. Here n by 5 is equal to 2 by 3 minus 5 by 7 plus 5 by 7. If transposing RHS. Take LCM 3 2, 3 7. 3 7s are 21. 21 is the LCM. So 3 7 times 7 into 2 plus 5 into 7 3 times. By 21. N by 5 equal. So again this is equal to 14 plus 15, 29 by 21. N by 5 equal to. Implies n equal to 29 by 21 into 5. So 145 by 21. N equal to 145 by 20. Copy down. Z by 2 plus Z by 3 minus Z by 6 equal to 8. Find Z. Here take LCM 2 3 6. 2 3 6. 2 3 6 LCM is 6 because 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. LCM 6. 2 3 times 3Z plus 2 times 2z minus 6 one time z equal to 8. 3z plus 2z 5z. 5z minus z 4z. 4z equal to 8 into 6. If it is moved to RHS, 6 into 6. Z equal to 8 into 6 by 4. 2 times z equal to 6 or 12. Okay, children, copy down. Check this out. X by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 equal to 1 by 5. Now take LCM. 2, 5, 5, 10. 10 is the LCM. 10. 2 5 times 5x. 5 2 times. 2 4s are 8. 5 2 times plus 2x. 10 one time 3x. So 5x, add like terms, 5x plus 2x, 7x, 3x, 10x. 10x minus 8 equal to 1 by 5 into 10. This is equal to 2 times. 10x minus 8 equal to 2. 10x equal to 2 plus 8. Minus 8 transposing plus 8. This is equal to 10. 10x equal to 10. X equal to 10 by 10. 1. X equal to 1. X equal to 1. Copy down, children. All what I said in this class and also do this for HW. So, okay, children, these are for HW. Practice well. If you have any doubts, post me. I will clarify tomorrow. So, bye bye.